Tumba ting ting tumba. So, keep going. Right. Paano natin let's say, pinag-aralan natin itong rhythm na to. We can take the clave part and then kunin natin yung pangalawang hit. Thank you. Okay, good. Now, ba't di na lang natin ni-strum? Kasi maraming kaskas, maingay eh. So, ang idea is to make it, yung bang areglo yung malinis, right? So, kanya-kanyang part, although maraming nangyayari dito medyo simple lang. Pero kung gagawin natin ng, see, I could have played the kaskara or the palito part. Teka, meron pang talakyan, meron pang piano part, meron pang kung ano-ano, siguro strings or whatever. So when you have this kind of part, masyado kang magulo. So you want to really make it spare. Yung bang i-base nyo yung part. See what I did right now. Okay, I did this 3/9 ko eh. Actually, percussion part siya, di ba? Yung clave or yung sinabi sa natin palito. Percussion part siya, pero 3/9 natin sa ibang instrument. You can do that. It's very interesting. A lot of very nice results. Magaganda mga resulta pag ginawa nyo. Kaya lang, kailangan pag-aaralan mo na. Hindi yung halo-halo palabok, right? So, that's what we're doing right now. Okay? So, ginawa natin, wawang ko sa drums, tapos yung bass, nasa kabila siya, parang sagutan, very interesting. Kumbaga, areglo siya. It's an arrangement. Tapos yung guitar part, instead of very dense na strum, na kaskas tuloy-tuloy, gagamitin lang natin one hit ng clave. Okay, please guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you can already imagine, siguro yung merong mga guys na meron nang dumadating na melody kasi this is a very popular progression. U2, Bob Marley, kung sino-sino itong No Woman No Cry, ang dami